The Crispin team of Keller Williams Realty Branson, Missouri would like to present to you this property. For more information call 417-335-3109. Attention developers. Listing consists of 15 lots in Forbes Lake of the Ozarks Park. Unit N1 lots 1726, 1728, 1729, 1730, 1731, 1732, 1734, 1735, 1736, 1737, 1740, 1741, 1744, 1745, 1753. Forbes is a gated community with lake access, RV parking, camping access, boat ramps, community docks and much more. A little piece of seclusion with wildlife galore. If you are looking to retire or just want a place to build your second home away from it all, this is it. HOA is $140 per lot.